When it comes to the best wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. Reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use process that have been proven to be safe. With such wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on-wheel spacers are safe and more reliable. They are both to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub-spacer-wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and the lug nut is significant. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both on-wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. These studs are considered the highest quality studs in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificate. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to the rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterpart. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are excellent candidates for the black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against the corrosion. The oxidized layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be a light first. This means that anodized wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.